What's up, YouTube? Shh. Listen, today I will be playing a prank on all three of my kids. I got some Anbersol that numbs the mouth, and I'm gonna put it in their toothpaste, okay? Because yeah. So I want to see all of their reactions. So I have the toothpaste right here, guys. The toothpaste, okay? So and I have the Anbersol. So I'm gonna put it in the toothpaste, and I'm gonna tell all of them to brush their teeth because they need to brush their teeth. And let's see what happens. It's gonna be so hilarious. Shh. Oh, YouTube, make sure at the end of this video, if you like this video, and I know you will, make sure to subscribe, YouTube. We are trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, but we know we have a ways of getting there. So therefore, we're trying to hit 6,000, guys. And I would like to thank each and every last one of you personally because we are almost there. Thanks to you guys. We love you so much. But I want you to sit back and enjoy this video. All right, YouTube? Alright, YouTube, this is kind of difficult to do because I gave my son, the oldest son, my tripod. I do have two more that I didn't open, but I don't want to go get it. So I'm trying to mix this myself without asking one of them to record because then they can't be in the video. So this is the toothpaste, okay? This is the Anbersol. So I'm going to squeeze some out and put inside of this. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna put this, if I can get it out. Bear with me, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, duh, the top is on. Okay, as you can see, it's a hole there. I'm gonna just put it in here. Oops, oh no. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there. See, I made a mess, but I'm gonna have to mix it in somehow. So, I don't know how I'm gonna let you see this. Let me just bend this a little bit. Try to put this in here, like that. Right at the top. They're not gonna notice anything because the toothpaste is all the way down in there. They're just gonna squeeze it out, and then they're gonna put it on their toothbrush. So I'm so sneaky, aren't I? YouTube, you know I'm the best at pranks. You know that. Okay, I saw this on TV, so I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get them with that. So I'm gonna press this up a little bit. Oh, you can see that it's red. So I'm gonna have to mix this up. Oh gosh, and wipe that off. Let me see. Mix it up a little bit. Or they gotta know something. Okay, let me see. Oh gosh, guys, I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but you know me, I'm gonna work this out. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Let me see. Let me just take this, bend it down like that, and just squeeze some onto the top, and hopefully it mixes. I don't know if it's gonna work. I know it's gonna work, it's just they're gonna notice something. Well, I make up something. I'd be like, oh, I'm sorry, I used it, and I made a mistake and put some of my jelly on it or something. I make an excuse. Okay, YouTube, I'm about to go in there and get on some toothpaste, so stay tuned. All right, YouTube. I just wanted to come back in here to show you what I did to cover up the pink Anbersol, all right? Because they're on the game. It's very difficult to get them off that, but I'm going to. I use my real toothpaste that doesn't have any Anbersol in it, and I put some in this one that had the red Anbersol in it. So you see, now you can't see the red. See that? Only a little around it, and they're not gonna notice that. Believe me. When it comes out, it's gonna come out white. See? See? It's gonna come out white. So that's what I did. This is 2 tubes. So I used mine, the regular, and I put some of mine in the one with the Anbersol. I'm just gonna get this. Close mine up. Also, I had to put some toothpaste on my toothbrush, so I did do that already without showing you guys, because I'm not gonna have time to do it. And I wipe from around there so you don't really see the red. So there you go. So now I'm about to prank them. Brush.
I need more than that.
Here.
I need more paste.
All right. Brush your teeth.
I need more paste.
All right. Just calm down. Brush your teeth. Brush.
First you look at.
Brush.
And
Brush.
what's wrong? I can't see. You forgot to brush your teeth?
Brush.
Right, you forgot?
What happened?
You don't know your shit.
Brandon, what happened? Why you don't know how to brush your teeth? It's all good. Wait, something is in the way. What happened? Oh. All right, you're gonna brush it a second time to make sure it's clean.
You gotta brush your tongue too.
What happened?
He got blood all over him.
All right. So, you did good, you all right?
I need to do one more round.
Ew! Flush that toilet.
What?
Flush the toilet. What? I know, I don't want to look at that. I don't want YouTube to see that. I know already. Wait, hold on.
I brushed it one time, then I throw the toothpaste out. You can brush my tongue.
One more time.
Come on, I just went through the process.
All right, one more time.
Oh my gosh. My teeth is already smell good. What kind of toothpaste is this? And you're saying a second time?
Let me see your teeth. Okay, second time.
What kind of toothpaste is this for me to brush it a second
Is it?
time?
What you mean? What kind of toothpaste? It's the same toothpaste.
Look how
This water is cold. What?
Look how much toothpaste that is.
That's all right. You already brushed your teeth. All right, so this is the family that brushing their teeth. All right, y'all can stop now. It should be finished. All right, all right. What? You okay? You sure? Why are you looking at me like that? You looking mighty suspicious over there. Real suspicious. Where you at?
I'm right here. It's not nothing there. I just got done.
All right, guys. That was a prank. And
What was
Brandon,
the
you was the one that got it.
I
you
got
was
what?
the one that got pranked.
For what? One that got pranked?
Yes. It was a prank, but only you got pranked.
No one.
No, I'm sorry, Brandon. I was trying to make sure it mixed well so everybody get it and everybody can show how they look. But you was the only one got it. Obviously.
I didn't say nothing.
That was a prank.
That's
YouTube.
crazy.
It failed on Isaiah and Dakota, but it worked on my poor baby Brandon.
That's crazy. I didn't know that there was anything in there.
It just felt weird, right?
Yeah, this felt weird. I was like, yo, why is it's not? I was like that. I don't know what the heck that was.
I know you was looking at me strange. I'm like, what
Yeah.
happened? And you
Yeah.
looked at the toothpaste like, what is that?
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, what the heck is that?
Yeah, I thought I had put enough. I thought by me missing it, they would get it, but they didn't feel nothing. But at least they have some pretty beautiful white pearly teeth for a change.
Yes.
Look at that. Look at that. Those big, strong teeth. And look at that.
Mommy, at least I got
Those
teeth.
brights.
I got teeth.
And let me see. And look at Brandon, poor Brandon. I'm so sorry you suffered. You still numb?
Huh?
Is your mouth still numb?
I don't know. I think so.
No, you wouldn't know if it's numb. Do you feel your mouth? Do you feel your tongue now? Your lips?
Oh
anything?
yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it.
All right. All right, YouTube. So you saw that, right? That it was like a bummer, and it was kind of okay at the same time because I was trying to get all three. Obviously, I didn't put enough Anbersol in the toothpaste because I was trying to keep it from looking red, obviously, but didn't know what color Anbersol that would be anyway. So yeah, so what happened was Brandon got all of it that was at the top, okay? Obviously, Isaiah and Dakota didn't get anything. They were just brushing their teeth like it was going out of style. And I'm sitting there like, they don't feel nothing? Like, it didn't miss in at all? So obviously, they didn't get none of it. But Brandon got the full dose of the Anbersol. The minute he looked at it, he saw something was wrong with it. But he still didn't just stop and say, I don't want to brush my teeth with that, or can I get more? Instead, he went on with the plan and brushed his teeth, and it was hard because he couldn't feel nothing, so he was just doing it in the front. So that was hilarious. Like, I felt so bad for him, though, because I was trying to get all three of them. It wasn't fair to him. It was just him that got the dose. So anyway, YouTube, if you enjoyed that video and you want to see more exciting pranks, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, turn on those post notifications, share this video with everyone, and like. And remember, we're trying to reach 6,000 subscribers, guys, and we're close. We're doing it thanks to you. We love you too, YouTube, the same way that you love us. And remember, the summer, we're going all out with pranks, okay? I can't guarantee you exactly what we're going to do, but we're going to be pranking. Whether we go all the way to Manhattan in the street, prank people in the street, I don't know, but we will be doing a lot of pranks. All right, YouTube? So get used to that. We love you. Peace.